Discover the secret to ending the phlegm in a few minutes. Do you always feel your throat loaded with persistent phlegm? The solution is in a little-known natural plant. I will reveal you everything for free. The mucus is like a warning sign issued by your body, indicating that something is not well in your respiratory system. Just as a neglected water tank accumulates dirt over time, your body can retain thick and visual secretions that make breathing difficult and affect your quality of life. These secretions are not only limited to colds, but can be aggravated by the consumption of everyday inflammatory foods, such as milk, cheese, sausages, white flour, and refined sugar. Excessive mucus from these foods can become a true, silent poison in the body, damaging your breathing, voice, disposition, and even your sleep. Therefore, before seeking immediate relief for symptoms, it is essential to understand the importance of cleaning this internal water box and promoting more balanced respiratory health. Guaco, also known as sipo caatinga or cobre herb, is a medicinal plant from South America, widely used in folk medicine to treat various respiratory problems. Its expectorant action is remarkable because it helps to thin the thicker phlegm that usually gets stuck in the throat and lungs, facilitating its elimination through cough. In addition, guaco acts relaxing bronchi, improving respiratory capacity, and reducing airway inflammation. With this, it can relieve throat irritations and sensations of chest oppression. In view of all these benefits and therapeutic properties of guaco, it becomes clear because it is considered as the #1 plant to eliminate phlegm and throat mucus quickly. Guaco tea, being one of the best ways to enjoy the benefits of this powerful medicinal plant, requires some specific care to ensure its effectiveness. To prepare guaco tea correctly, you will need fresh or dried leaves of the plant and boiling water. Put a tablespoon of fresh leaves or a teaspoon of dried leaves in a cup with boiling water and cover, allowing the infusion to occur for about 10 minutes. After this period, just strain the tea and ingest it still warm to better use its active ingredients. The recommended dose is up to 3 cups per day, preferably before meals to enhance the absorption of guaco components by the body. Choose strategic times to consume tea, as in the morning upon waking, before lunch and early evening, increases the effectiveness of treatment. It is noteworthy that prolonged use of guaco tea should be limited to a maximum period of 30 consecutive days, and it is recommended to take a break then. It is important to highlight that pregnant women, lactating people, children under 2, and individuals with liver problems should avoid consumption of this plant without proper medical advice. Daily milk consumption and their derivatives, usually considered a source of calcium essential for bone health, can be one of the main factors that contribute to increased mucus production in the body. Surprisingly, milk can make secretions thicker and more difficult to eliminate, leading to greater respiratory tract inflammation and aggravating throat, catarrh cough, and throat irritation. If you often suffer from these problems, reducing or avoiding the consumption of these inflammatory foods can make a significant difference in your respiratory health. Therefore, by recognizing the potential negative impact of milk and its derivatives on mucus production on your body, it is possible to adopt effective preventive measures to promote a healthier internal environment and improve the quality of your breathing. Excessive accumulation of mucus in the body can be aggravated by everyday habits that often go unnoticed. One of the frequent errors that contribute to this accumulation is the intake of processed foods rich in chemical additives, preservatives, and dyes. These artificial substances, in addition to overloading the digestive system, can trigger inflammatory reactions in the body, leading to exacerbated mucus production as a defense response. Similarly, regular consumption of very spicy or spicy foods can also irritate the airways and stimulate the production of thick secretions. Another relevant factor is frequent exposure to polluted or smoke environments, as the particles present in the air can be inhaled and housing in respiratory tract, triggering an inflammatory process and an increase in mucus production as a body protection mechanism. Therefore, identifying and correcting these harmful habits is critical to reducing respiratory system overload and promoting airway health improvement. Natural syrup to eliminate phlegm and mucus is an effective and natural solution to promote respiratory tract cleaning. Composed of carefully selected ingredients, this syrup has expectorant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and mucolytic properties that act together to dissolve the accumulated muck in the lungs and throat. The synergy of these natural components allows deep and smooth cleaning without the side effects of conventional drugs. In addition, regular use of this syrup can contribute to strengthen the immune system and prevent recurrent respiratory infections. By adopting this natural approach to the treatment of phlegm and mucus, you will be opting for a safe, effective, and free alternative of chemicals harmful to the body. The preparation of the phlegm-sweeping syrup requires attention to the ingredients and the way of preparation to ensure its effectiveness. Composed of elements such as pure bee honey, fresh lemon juice, ginger powder or grated, turmeric, and, optionally, a hint of black source black pepper, the syrup has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and expectorant properties. Honey acts softening mucous membranes and fighting bacteria, while lemon is effective in the dissolution of mucus and strengthening immunity. Ginger acts warming the body and facilitating the elimination of secretions. In turn, the turmeric fights inflammation and the black pepper optimizes the absorption of turmeric by the body. These ingredients, accurately combined in syrup, promote true internal cleansing in the body, contributing to the elimination of secretions and the relief of respiratory symptoms. To enjoy the benefits of this naturally healing syrup, it is recommended to consume a teaspoon of the product up to 3 times a day. The continuity of this treatment for about 7 to 10 days, or until it reaches the feeling of complete relief in the lungs and throat, is essential for satisfactory results. For those who have diabetes, it is important to moderate honey consumption or replace it with propolis without alcohol. Allergic people to the ingredients present in the recipe should avoid their use or adapt it with specialized professional aid. Before starting the use of syrup to eliminate phlegm and mucus, it is essential to consider possible contraindications and additional orientations. Diabetic individuals should consume honey with caution or choose to replace it with alcohol-free propolis to avoid glycemic peaks. People allergic to any of the ingredients present in the revenue should avoid consumption or seek expert medical advice for safe adaptations. Combination of components in syrup can result in unwanted reactions in sensitive people, and it is essential to respect individual limitations. In addition, those who wish to enhance the effects of natural treatment can associate the use of syrup with other complementary care, such as the practice of breathing exercise, and remain well hydrated throughout the day to facilitate the expectation of secretions. Always remember to seek medical advice by adopting new treatments, especially when it comes to respiratory health. Learning about the benefits of medicinal plants and natural remedies is the first step for a journey of self-care and well-being. By understanding how nature can offer effective solutions to various health problems, you connect to an ancestral wisdom that values the harmony between body, mind, and spirit. Experience the benefits of natural treatments not only relieves physical symptoms, but also strengthens their connection with the environment and their own essence. By prioritizing natural healing methods, you adopt a sustainable and responsible lifestyle, contributing not only to your own health but also to the health of the planet. Therefore, boarding this journey towards natural healing with confidence and gratitude, honoring the teachings of nature and taking care of its most precious good, your health. You have a beautiful home. Health is worth more than money. Share this valuable knowledge with those you love. Remember, who shares health shares life.